What's happening, YouTube? Turbo's episode 5 and it's a big one. The things that we've got left to do you can count on one hand, and the car's going to be running today. Last weekend I had a bit of a breakdown, so I didn't do any filming and just got things done. I'll run through what actually got done later, but first, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that the car it's in a state. It's not nice. So we're going to start off by giving her a good bath. She needs it. It's disgusting. And she's all nice and clean. It's about time, it's about time. Right, I'll just catch you up on what got done last weekend. We got the washer bottle fit. We got the air filter situation figured out, so that's done. We painted the cam cover. Got a little mascot now. On the dipstick light.
He's gonna melt.
There he is. Nah, he'll be right there. Speaking of dipstick as well, I'll just show you what we did to it to modify it for this dipstick drain. So your standard dipstick, it's a bit like that, and we drilled a hole in it. We got a length of bar, drilled through the middle of the bar, and welded it on. And then your oil drain from your turbo's here, oil drain, bang, back into sump, job done. Bit of a bodge, but that is like pretty much exactly how they sell the dipstick drains, and they were out of stock, so we made one. It's problem solving. Got a problem, I'll solve it. So the missions today are to get this back in, finish the oil return. We've also had the wideband delivered, which has been a fucking nightmare because we ordered it from one place, I won't say where. We were waiting 7-8 weeks for it. I rang them like 3 times, I got told a guaranteed delivery date twice, didn't show up on any of them. So then when I rang up again, they were like, yeah, you should probably look into another option. Fucking sound, mate. So I ordered it from Fuel Performance, I think it were, and it got here in 2 days, so shout out to them. So that needs to go in today. We've got a vacuum line to run from the ECU to the inlet, and that's pretty much everything. Then we can turn her on, start her. So fucking excited, so excited. She in?
She's in.
She's in.
I didn't mean to.
Oh no, it's alright,
don't me, boy.
Don't worry about him. He's right, he's just chilling, just a chiller. So we have the gauge itself, which is going in the vent, because turbo MX5. We have the wiring for the gauge, the actual sensor itself, and just some cheeky little stickers, some paperwork, you know how it is. But yeah, this is the final piece of the puzzle. Once this is in, once the oil drain's done, once the vacuum line's done, that's it. Not sure what filming's going to be like today because, to be honest, I just want to get it done. I just want to start it, I just want to hear it. So I'll do my best, but yeah, we're going to get to work. Oil return is in. I've also been having a look at this gauge and how to mount it, and I don't know how to mount it. So I'm just going to end up I'm just going to stick it. Just going to sticky boy it. And then in here, I've done this, look. New gain up, new genuine 4 Brad Gator. Looks alright, looks better than it was. So we're just getting on to looking at installing the wideband and everything else that goes along with that. And it is hot.
Not just a bit hot, fucking hot.
Fucking hot. Sweaty buckets. Classic British people, that, innit? It's raining. Why can't it be sunny? It's sunny. Fucking too hot. Yeah, let's get this wideband done. Let's get her fucking fired up. It's been long enough. Also dealing with this today. I'm just going to show you. Got a chuffing fun fair going on. Gary's only here. Only over there. See that being annoying in a few hours. Anyway, let's get his wideband in.
Just going to show you an alternate method of sitting in your MX5.
Oh, hello, mate.
Oh, hello there. You look comfortable, man. You feel it?
I feel it. I feel it. Oh, I feel it.
So what are you doing, Jay?
Just here, eh? Just doing car stuff upside down. That's what we do around here.
I feel really uncomfortable holding this.
So we've been busy for the last few hours. I didn't want to bore you with everything that we've been doing because let's be honest, you came for one thing. It's the title of the video. We're about to start it for the first time. So scared.
It might be an idea to turn it over a few times to get some oil circulated.
Just take plugs out.
Yeah. And screw it in. Or just unplug things. Yeah. Well, I'm just turning it over.
Turn it over.
I'll just check push backs. Yeah.
Fuck.
Right then. Now we'll try and again.
We go in.
I go up.
Oh my god, I can't. Should I be in it for?
I'm just going to say give it a little bit.
Ready?
Yep.
Again?
Yeah. Really?
Right.
Stop it there. Fuel bodies aren't leaking. We'd know about it if they were. You'd be able to smell it really bad.
Let's have a do it.
Yeah, still running like a bag of shit.
I see smoke.
So close, mate. Oh! Ah! Keep a foot on the throttle, once you took off there.
I'm covering this vacuum line, do you know that goes to that wastegate?
Oh, that might be it.
Really?
Yeah.
I've got my finger on it.
Well, it's really
Suck
better.
through it.
Did your car have turbo? Or you just take it to
A lot of smoke.
It is. Yeah.
What? Oil leak. it ran, but we've got an oil leak.
Oh, it's coming out the top, isn't it? It's coming from the feed.
Oh, we're going to make sure they're tight. Probably a good place to start. But it ran! So we've just had another check on all the bolts. Can get them tight so nothing else is leaking. And we're going to give her another go.
Yeah, so just 30 minutes now, I'm waiting for them to stop saying heat.
Yeah. Still going. Oh, it's just got lines on it. Ready? Ah, the oil feed is still leaking. So it's been a couple hours. Right. Hear me out. The fitting for the oil feed, we stripped it a bit accidentally, it turns out. So we've spent the last couple of hours driving around, ringing people, trying to get hold of one. No bueno. Richard took the one out of his car. No bueno. So now we're just going to try and clean up the threads that are left as much as we can. Pop her back in, just nip her up, hopefully it'll be enough. Just to at least get her started and just make sure everything's alright. Gives one them cut.
You won't be a cunt.
Absolutely no chance.
Good goose that, mate. Wish we never took it out. Oh yeah, it just leaves a bit of oil, great.
No bueno. This creates a bit of a dilemma, you see, because we have today, because today's pretty much finished. We have tomorrow is Sunday, so nowhere's really open. And then I'm working away from Monday till Thursday night, and then the car's getting mapped on Friday, apparently.
Psych.
So I don't know what to do. She did run, she ran a bit, you know, she started up. Credit where credit is due, she ran. Ish. Hopefully there's no other issues with this, other than this oil leak. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure something out during the week while I'm not even fucking here. And hopefully get her alright for next Friday when she goes for mapping, but is what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I suppose I'll see you out next one when she's getting remapped. See you later. Shane. Bye. See you mate. Woo.